So I'm sharing my screen. Okay. So exercise 8.1, question number 10. Okay. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q. There is a triangle PQR which is right angled at Q. Okay. PQ is 5. PQ is 5 and PR plus QR is 25. We have to find cos P, sin P and tan P. Okay. Now PR is equal to 25 minus QR because PR plus QR is 25. So I can write PR equals to 25 minus QR. Okay. Now in triangle PQR, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. PR square is 25 minus QR the whole square. PQ is 5 and QR we don't know. We'll solve this. Okay. So 25 square plus QR square minus 2 into 25 into QR is equal to 25 plus QR square. QR square cancel. 625 minus 50 QR equals to 25, or 625 minus 25 equals to 50 QR. So 600
equals to
equals
50
to
QR.
50 QR, or QR equals to 600 upon 50. So it is 12.
12.
QR is 12. Okay. So PR we can find by PGT. PR square equals to QR is PQ square plus QR square. So it will come 13. Now we can find all the trigonometric ratios. Cos P. If angle P is under consideration, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is PQ and hypotenuse is 13. Sin P is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If P is under consideration, perpendicular is QR, that is 12 upon 13. And tan P, perpendicular upon base, QR upon PQ, that is equal to 12 by 5. Okay. So are you all getting these answers? How many of you have done the homework?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
I have done.
Okay. Then
Ma'am,
others?
we have also done.
You have also done, Hinal Himani. Then Hardik?
Done.
Okay. Kavin?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Kavin already told Harini. So
No,
I
ma'am,
guess
I am saying,
what?
ma'am, I was saying that I have done the homework.
Okay. So I think everybody has done. Any doubt till here? Anybody, any doubt till here? Okay. So our exercise 8.1 is finished, plus examples are finished except example 2. Example 2 we'll do at last. Okay. Because for example 2 I have to explain you the concept of similar triangles, which is actually chapter 7. So we'll do it at last. Okay. Other than that, everything we have done. Okay. Now we'll be learning trigonometric ratios, values of trigonometric ratios, and how to form that table that I'll tell you. Okay. So this table you have to learn. So there is a table 8.1 given on page 185. So for making the table, first of all, you will make columns. 6 columns we have to make. One, So here actually first one we can use as rough column. We'll be writing actually something that is not part of table, but just we have to keep in mind what we have to write. So I'm just leaving first row blank. Okay. Okay. Now here on the, this is basically rough column, this one. Here I am writing numbers with difference of 1 by 4. 0, first 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Okay. What we have to do here, what this column will tell us is actually the values of all trigonometric ratios from 0 to 90. Then 10, next, okay, let us fill this part, cosec, then sec and cot. Okay. Now, what we will do, first of all, for filling sign A, what number I have written on the top, 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. I'll write square root of all the numbers in sign A column. Square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 by 4, 1 ka square root 1, 4 ka square root 2. Square root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2. Square root of 3 is root 3 and square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 1 is 1. Okay. So this way fill the first column, the first row. Then for cos A, are you able to hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
अब इन सबको उल्टा लिखना होगा ना मैम?
Right, right. अब cos A के लिए यहाँ से start करेंगे. I'll start from here and write or note down all the numbers till 0. That means 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now tan A. Tan A is actually sin A upon cos A. Sin A upon cos A. So I'll divide sin by cos. 0 divided by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. If you don't know this, you should remember actually whenever there is a fraction upon fraction, the lowest thing is multiplied here and this both are multiplied. So when 1 by 2 is divided by root 3 by 2, this both will be multiplied and this.
Root 3.
So 1 into 2 upon 2 into root 3. So it becomes 1 by root 3. Okay. 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2 is 1. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 will be root 3. And 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. This you should know. Okay. 0 by 1 is 0 and 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay. Then cosec A. Cosec A is actually 1 upon sin A. Cosec A is 1 upon sin A. So you can just write the reciprocal of all the numbers in the column sin A. You can just write the reciprocal of this all numbers. Okay. So 1 upon 0, it will be again not defined. Okay. Then 1 upon 1 by 2, this will be 2. This will be root 2. This will be 2 by root 3 and 1 upon 1 is 1. Okay. Sec A is 1 upon cos A. So cos A 1 upon 1 1. Then this will be 2 by root 3. This will be root 2. This will be 2 and 1 upon 0, that is not defined. Okay. Then cot A. Cot A is actually 1 upon tan A. Cot A is 1 upon tan A. इसको cos a upon sin a भी लिख सकते हैं, both are same. Okay, cos a upon sin a. Okay, so cot a 1 upon tan is just reciprocal whatever is written in the tan column. So 1 upon 0 not defined. Okay, then this will be 1 upon root 3, so it will be root 3, 1 by root 3, and basically 1 upon 10a, or not defined is actually 1 upon 0. तो 1 upon 0 का reciprocal हो जाएगा 0 upon 1, तो it will be 0. Okay, so this way we'll get the trigonometric table, actually the values which we have to learn. Values of all these trigonometric ratios lies from 0 to 360 and even beyond, but in 10th class we have to learn only till 90 degree, 0 से 90 degree. तो ये सारे values positive ही होते हैं 0 से 90 degree तक. Kavin, you are asking some doubt?
No, ma'am.
Is somebody asking some doubt? I heard in between. No doubt?
I think Siddharth was asking.
Siddharth,
No,
you...
ma'am, I was
Okay.
not asking.
Okay, no problem. So any doubt, anybody?
मैम ये वैल्यूज किस बेसिस पे, वो हमने ऊपर जो 0 1/4 लिखा है उनके बेसिस पे है ना?
बेसिस पे नहीं, ये लर्न करने की है. बाकी ये हम अगर ट्रायंगल बनाएं और साइन ए को 30 डिग्री बनाएं, एंगल ए को 30 डिग्री बनाएं और उसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये परपेंडिकुलर और हाइपोटेनियस का रेशियो ये आएगा. बाकी ये लर्न करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे ऐसे याद किया है.
ओके मैम.
ओके, एनी डाउट, एनीबडी?
नो.
So this table should be learned by tomorrow. In next class, everybody should learn this table before attending next maths class. Okay, so maths, this trigonometry will be easy. Okay, today whatever we will be doing, you will be seeing this table and solving the questions. Okay, so now exercise 8.2, question number 1. Okay, first part. Sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. What is sin 60?
Root 3/2.
Root 3/2. From table you can see and tell. Okay. Cos 30?
Root 3/2.
Root
Cos
3/2.
30 is also root 3/2. Sin 30?
1/2.
1/2. And cos 60?
1/2.
1/2. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. By 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. So it is 4
1.
upon 4, that is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay. Second part. Tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Tan 45, what is the value of tan 45?
1.
1. So 1 is square. What is the value of cos 30?
Root 3/2.
Root 3/2 the whole square. Okay. And what is the value of sin 60?
Root 3/2 whole square.
1/2 the whole square. Okay. Sorry, sin 60. Sin 60 is root
Ma'am,
3/2.
root
Root 3/2. हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. So this is 1 plus root 3 square is 3/4 minus 3/4. Minus 3/4 plus 3/4 cancel. Answer is 1.
Answer is 2. Ma'am, 2 tan square.
अच्छा,
है ना?
2 है क्या? Okay, okay. So it will be 2. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
third part. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Anybody, if any doubt is there, you can ask. So, third part. Cos 45 upon
1/2.
sec
1/√2.
30. Okay. Cosec 30. Okay. Cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
Sec 30, 2 by
2
root
by
3.
root 3.
And cosec 30, 2. So it will be 1
2 by
upon
root
root 2. And when we will take LCM of denominator, it is root 3. So it is 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. And this when we'll solve, it will be, it is basically 1 upon root 2 upon, or 1 upon root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Then actually we have to express answer with denominator as a rational number. So we'll always try to convert answer, we final answer will write with denominator as rational number. तो मतलब root वाला term नहीं आना चाहिए. So first of all, in order to eliminate root 2, I'll multiply by root 2 in numerator and denominator. This is equal to root 6. 2 into 2 is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. And 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. So this I can write root 6. If I take 2 common from here, it is 4 into 1 plus root 3. Multiplying by 1 minus root 3 in numerator and denominator. So it is root 6. 1 minus root 3. 4. It is a plus b, a minus b. 1 square minus root 3 square. So root 6. 1 minus root 3 upon 4. 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Okay. So it is root 6 into 1 minus root 3. Yes, 1 minute. So it is root 6 into root 3 minus 1 upon 8. This is the answer. 1 minute I am displaying. So previous slide. Okay.
मैम ये इक्वल्स टू कैसे आया?
कहाँ पर?
ये cos 45 में तो इक्वल्स टू की क्या जरूरत थी?
ये तो फाइंड करना है ना हमको. तो either write it in next step, or if you are writing in the same line, you can write equal to.
मैम हमको लगा कि आपने दोनों को इक्वल टू में ऐसे रखा है. सॉरी.
No, no, no. Can I change the slide? Or are you copying?
Ma'am, next slide.
Next slide. Yes, Hina Limani, can I change the slide?
Ma'am, do ma'am.
Okay, okay, copy this.
Ma'am, you can change.
Okay. Okay, so this actually answer is root 6 into root 3 minus 1 upon 8. This actually at back answer is given root 6 into root 3. Basically it is under root 18. So it can be written 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. This is also the answer. So both are same only. You can write either way. But usually answers are expressed with denominators as rational number. So in case you are getting any term of root in denominator, always rationalize the denominator and write the final answer. Is this question clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move to next question, or are you still copying?
I'm copying.
Okay.
Ma'am, copied.
Copied? Okay. Everybody copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear to everybody? This question is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question. Question. Okay. First question, fourth part. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Okay. So sin 30 is 1 upon 2.
1, 2,
Tan 45 is 1.
1,
Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3.
2.
Okay. Sec 30, 2 by root 3. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cot 45 is 1. Okay. This we have to solve. First of all, taking LCM in numerator only. So it is 2 root 3 is LCM. It will be root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 upon, here also LCM is 2 root 3. This will be 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4. This 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 will cancel. It will be 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay. Rationalizing the denominator. 4 minus 3 root 3 and 4 minus 3 root 3. Okay. So this will be 3 root 3 into 4 minus 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square.
Ma'am, I have sent you the answer.
Okay. So this is 16 minus 27. Then this will be 4 3s are 12 root 3. 9 3s are 27 minus 27 minus 16 plus 12 root 3. 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3 is 24 root 3. Then 27 minus 16 is 12, 13 minus 43 upon minus 9 or minus 11. 27 minus 16, it will be minus 11 actually. Minus 16. Minus 11 it will be. So it is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. This is the answer. Okay. Now
And can you show the previous slide?
yes, 1 minute.
Let me see पहले वाली.
It's a फिलहाल.
मैम ये वाली.
This one.
No, मैम the next one.
Okay.
मैम इसके आगे वाली.
आगे वाली पे तो खाली आंसर लिखा है. 1 minute. Let him complete. Let Kavin complete, and then I'll display the next slide.
Yes, I'm complete.
Is it clear to everybody? Then this is the answer. Okay, so is it completed by everybody? Next question. Can I start next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fifth part. So it is 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Okay, cos 60. So what is value of cos 60? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square plus sec 30. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 the whole cube minus tan 45 1 by root 2 the whole square. It's square, sorry. Okay. Then sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Sin square 30 is 1 by 2 the whole square. Cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay. So it is 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Minus 1 by 2 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Okay. So actually 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1. So I can write this equals to 1 and I can ignore this in next step. Okay. Now LCM of 4, 3 and 2 is 12. So 4 divide by 12 is 3. So this is 15. 4, 16, 4s are
Plus
64
64
minus 6.
minus 12. मैम minus 12 होगा.
Minus 12 क्यों? 12 divided by 2
मैम
is 6. Yes. 150.
मैम हमने ऐसा करा तो मैम हमने तो 5 into 1 by 2 करा plus 16 by 3 मैम हमारा तो 12 आ रहा था. मैम सॉरी गलत होगा.
Okay, okay. Let me check. Or cos 60 is 1 by 2. Is there any value which I have written wrong? Cos 60 sec 30 2 by root 3. Okay. And tan 45. Okay. Cos sin 30 and cos 30.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, tan square 45 is not 1
वो
by
1
root 2.
square होगा. मैम सिर्फ वो
Okay,
minus
tan
1 square
45 is 1
होगा.
only, right, right. It is 1
Yes
only.
मैम.
हाँ. Okay. तो ये 12 होगा, correct. So it will be 15 plus 64 minus 12. Okay. So it is 67. It is 67 by 12. This is the answer. Okay. Any doubt till here? Anybody, any doubt till here?
No ma'am.
No? Okay. So this session, first session is going to end. So I am ending this meeting. Let us reconnect. Then we will solve further problems. Okay.